So what we have here today, we have Flexi Cup permanent fuel cup. This is not sponsor of this video. And this fuel cup meets mod requirements. We call it NCT in Ireland. Locks and seals for petrol and diesel. It is pretty simple stuff. You can see turn to lock. And now you can see here, it's nothing special, but it should work. So let's try it. Instructions. So first thing, turn inner knob anti-clockwise until the jaws are narrow enough to pass through the fuel filter neck. Second, holding the flexi cap in place, turn the knob clockwise at this time until slide resistance is felt, so should be easy. We have some tips here. Care should be taken not to over tight the flexi cap. Yes, so we have to be careful because the part is actually from plastic, can easy break. Anti-lockwise. Goes in to lock it, turn it to the right. Yeah. And it should hold in the place. So let's try it. As you can see here, the cup has a seal around. So for the demonstration I'm going to use my 30 years old Volkswagen Golf Mark II. It is diesel, but it works on petrol too, so this cab is universal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in. Yeah. I'm going to apply slight pressure. I'm going to push it a little bit in, hold it, and turn it to the right. Yeah, you should feel getting tighter. Yeah, it's nice and tight now. Sealed. Yeah. And to remove it anti-lockwise again, slight push, do not break it, yeah? And turn it anti-lockwise, and will allow you to remove the cap. So it is really easy and cheap replacement of your fuel cap. Thanks for watching me.